First off, shout out to Dame Dollar and the Portland Trail Blazers. That was an impressive win last night. Lakers, what are y'all doing? That wasn't a Mamba mentality last night. And Frank Vogel, listen, man, this is not the Staples Center. This is an AAU type setting, rec style play, man. You got to play your hoopers, guys that can make shots, shot makers. Come on, Frank Vogel. This ain't the Staples Center, man. You can't have Dion Waiters and J.R. Smith over there on the bench for what? To average 1,500 claps like I did towards the end of my career? No. Put these guys in the game. They can make shots. They can make plays. You got to do better. Come on now. Or you going to get sent home because they not playing with y'all. Got to do better. Come on, Lakers.